Well, boys, it's finally here. Check them out. Everything I need to install my hot side. All right, guys, if you guys seen on the intro, finally got half the parts in for this turbo build on this Stang. There's the Stang on stands already, as much as I needed. Hood is off. I'm not gonna probably take off the bumper just yet. I know I'm probably gonna have to, but I'm not gonna take it off just yet. I have unscrewed these top screws here. It's gonna be quick to take off, but for the most part I feel like I'm ready to start on installing these bad boys here. It finally came in. Check it out. Both headers, the conversion to a single T4 flange, and I got the wastegate exhaust here, merging pipe. They already come with the V-band flange on here for a 44mm wastegate. The exhaust, it's here, guys. At least half of it is here, in my opinion. Maybe if you will see percentages, a little under half, because the other half you may say the cold side, but then there's the fittings of it, the oil fittings and all that stuff. But I'm gonna just tell myself half of it is here. Once I put it on, half the car is gonna be done, and I get started. I'm telling you guys, I literally recorded like 2 videos. I recorded a video yesterday of me messing with my trans brake. That's another story we'll talk about another time. Of putting switches right here. I recorded a bunch of videos, but I was like, you know what, man, I'm gonna just wait until these parts come in. Originally they're gonna come Wednesday, then they're coming today, Friday. But I'm glad they got here and I couldn't wait to get home and start working on it. It took me a little longer to get on it. I had to take out all the E85 because on first startup, this thing is gonna be on MS109. I got like 3, 4, 5-gallon jugs over there. That's what I'm gonna be tuning that first with MS109, but we'll get to that once we get to that. Maybe it'll change, I don't know. But here it comes, man. I'm really super stoked and excited to bring you guys along this ride. So I'm probably not gonna start taking off the headers today. I am gonna do a couple more things and I'll bring you guys along with me, but we're definitely gonna get moving on this thing as quickly as I possibly can, and then we'll go from there, man. So yep, stay tuned. All right, like I said, as you guys probably saw when I was already talking, hood is off. The oil guard down here is off, so it's completely exposed. To be quite honest with you, I can already start getting at the headers. I'm gonna need light. You guys probably can't see a thing, but I can already get started on these headers. I already took them off before. Yeah, you guys can't see a thing. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna do as much as I wanted to today, just because I got little things that I gotta take care about, but I remembered I got underneath the car. I'm gonna need to remove the starter, not the motor mount. Well, yeah, the motor mount, but just the bracket of it, I guess, that goes onto the motor, and then the other end goes onto the actually, motor mount. So I'm gonna have to do that. Not gonna do it today. I'm gonna try to get on it tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. But the battery's disconnected. I'm gonna remove my air intake. See, I'm basically right now what I want to see is leave everything ready to put those things in there and see what type of clearance I'm working with here. Am I gonna need a thinner fan when I put it on there? More than likely. Or am I gonna be able to kind of scooch this back a little bit? I am gonna get a 4-inch intercooler, so let's see how much I can scoot that back, right? So it's just a lot of things pending, but it's all gonna go around how that thing fits in here, and it's gonna dictate how everything else fits around it. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, man, extremely happy these things are in. If you guys have been keeping up with my channel, I've been waiting for these for a long time. I think ever since like August, when I wanted to go turbo after that nitrous little competition I was gonna do. In July that got canceled. But anyways, long story short, it's here, guys. If you guys want to keep up with this build, go ahead and subscribe, man. I'm gonna try to get on this thing, I mean, as quickly as I possibly can, to get this thing back out on those streets, ripping it and heading to some good old tracks and seeing what this thing could do. So other than that, man, thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time.